This is one of the H-type automatic broiler chicken cages systems for modern commercial poultry farming from Demeter Machinery. It is for the broiler birds from day old to 50 days with a fully automatic battery cage system, including auto-feeding, auto-drinking, manure removal system, auto-ventilation, auto-lighting, auto-control, and heating system. Each chicken shed can hold up to 50,000 pieces broiler birds with only one human labor requirement. It can reduce mortality and increase project profit significantly, and ensure the meat quality to the market. The raw material for the automatic chicken cage system is 275 grams per square meter zinc rate wire mesh and a high zinc rate metal plate to support a 15 to 20 years lifespan. Henan Demeter Machinery Company Limited has been researching and developing chicken cages for over 25 years. The product range includes layer chicken cages, broiler chicken cages,